guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me once again. Today is Sunday, April 22nd, 10:25. We are heading out to Cars at the Coliseum in Long Island. Hopefully it's going to be a nice show today. Hope it's going to be a good turnout. And I will see you guys there when I get there. Alright, so we're here. We got off route a little bit. We had to go around through local streets. It was a little of a drive with traffic, and people can't fucking drive in this place. I don't know why, but we're at Cars at the Coliseum. Just gotta make a U-turn. My nav is a little retarded. Told me to make a U-turn. I made a U-turn. What was the destination? I'm gonna make another U-turn and go back. So I'm waiting to make this U-turn again and make another one, and we should be over there in a couple of minutes. But there are actually two shows in this area. There's one further down that way. I believe it's mostly classic cars. And then the one over here, I believe, is modern. So hopefully it's a good turnout. It says Lot 2. I'm not sure what Lot 2 is at just yet. But let's see what's going on. I'm making a U-turn. Let's see how that's going to turn out. From here, I don't see any car show. Maybe somewhere in the back. Hopefully I didn't waste my time coming here. And it's going to be like 5-7 cars. It's going to be really, really ridiculous and stupid. If that is what it is. Let's find out. I believe this is the entrance. I hope it is. So, got some fucked up news. Got to Cars at the Coliseum. It was canceled. Not happy. Drove all the way here. The show was canceled. Really pissed off. Now I'm gonna try the other one. I'll get back to you guys. Hey guys, so we arrived at the other show. And this is a better turnout than the other show is. So looks really good. Good turnout. I'll get back to you guys.
Trying to get another trophy. The Hellcat room.
Unfortunately, if I go up next to him, I'll blow him away.
I know.
That's why I started throwing his Hellcat, 'cause he runs. Look at that shifter. Nice.
City over here.
I want you to treat it.